Hey, good morning. In this video, I'm showing you how we can produce the drainage area map sheet by using the surface from LiDAR that we created last time. So I'm selecting an area that we gonna do next for our drainage area map. So to do that, we need to have this border which I'm going to send you how we can use, and this base file that we use as the additional area in our sheet. So as you can see, it is a 2D line file, and we have this surface that will help us to identify and do the drainage boundary. And you can see from this one, it is this one. It should be off. It should not be looking like that, but maybe when I attach it, it's come with the surface into this file, so it's not hiding. But the idea is to have it as the background, and then we have this border for the sheet. How we can do is to read the contour to see which direction that the flow is going and how it passes through our system that we're gonna work on. This is our current system with this name CCA01, so that area and the drainage is specified for this system. What we can do is to first check the contour. I will need to move this away a bit. This, I keep this in place and keep out. I select this. This should be selectable. Yeah, I will move it out. So you can see it clearly. We're not gonna move this line, so because it's indifferent. So from here you can see that the system is collecting flow from a specific drainage area. It could be something from this part flowing down to this point and then pass through. Should be a pie covered underneath this dry and then going down here. And this part is collecting from the area here is going down to this point. Based on this contour, you can see that the elevation here is 240 and here is 241, so the low point is at this position. It should be at this point. So now we can see that it flows from here to this point, and this side is flowing from here, maybe from this part to this point, and pass through our system here. So to have the drainage area, we're gonna draw a line that can represent that. Normally we use this smart line to draw. So as we can see, the high point is at this center of the road, and it should come from here. You see, this is 245 and it's 244, so the high point is here and it's coming down to this system. So we can start from here, and here, as you can see that it is divided into parts, so we can do this way as well. And it ends here. Remember that we draw this based on how it flows. Normally it flows perpendicular with the contour. So you draw, make sure that it is perpendicular with the contour line. And this part is coming this way. It should be this way. And we can see that it is it's coming down here. Something like this. Something like this. Yeah. This represents this part area, but it seems like it's divided into two. One is this way, and the other one is coming this way. So we can divide into that way. From here, can see that it's coming down here. You can assume that it's coming this way, just like this, or like this. Actually, it's like this. Yeah, something like this. And this part seems that it coming further here, and yeah, I can create a bit more area outside this, but you can do something like this, because it should be from here. Let's go down here. You see that it is coming down here. Before see, it's the same, so it coming this way, or it's like this. It's like this. You can see that this should be a high point here. Maybe I did it wrong. It should be the other way, like this. Should be like this. Should be like this. And it's come down here. It cannot go this way. It should be coming down here. Yeah. When we see this, it is not pass through this system. It just go out and submit one here, so we can take it this way, and this part should come like this. And meet at this point. Don't worry about this part. I will create another one, but for now you can use it as a temporary line. So yes, for this point, similar is split one into this way and the other one is this way, so we can do the same. We can split this. This way, sorry. Should be something like this. See that? Should be something like that. It go here and the other go here. Now this one has something like this. Yeah, we need to make sure that we inspect all the points. For now, it seems like we got the area for this system. So we start that way, and then we give the name. Normally I do it left to right and bottom to top for the naming code. So it should start from B here. Here, sorry. Here is A, and then B, and this one is C. And this one is D. I make copy so I can just run this again. Yeah, and then we will add some arrow to represent the flow. You can use one of the arrow here and make copy. Do some rotation. Make copy. Yeah, and add some of that here. The arrow is also going perpendicular with the contour. I mean the arrow, you can copy and rotate so that it reflects that perpendicular. Copy. We put it here. Take. I use 2 points. It's the method that easy. If you use like 3 point. It's something you can try, but I use 2 point to do it for the rotation method. Yeah, coming down here. Rotation. And some here. And some here. Rotation. Maybe you move this a little bit down. And some here. Should be perpendicular, but in some case it based on the nature of flow, because some reason the contour just look weird, but when we check it overall, we understand that it's flow that way. There should be a covered a line that pass here, maybe this one, but we will wait for the survey, because what we have is just the KMZ. That's not accurate 100%. Somehow we understand that there's a pi, but there might be something to specify that it's that will be based on the survey. Yeah, seems like we have all of that in place. And then we will use this text for the street name. Maybe we can put turn on this map. I hope you can having this map so you can read the name of the road. It's in Bryan Street. You cannot make with the roadway. It's okay. We can add it later when you done with the drainage line. This is the other road. You can put something here. US Highway. US Highway. Certify business. Here. We can make copy here. And this street is called Parker Street. This one also has a name. W. Malcolm Street. Oh. W. Malcolm Street. You can put inside or outside, it's okay. And this one can come here. Okay, seems like we get that, but for the border, we need to scale it so that it match with the and it fit with the area. So to do that, we first create this box. And change it a little bit. Maybe red. We want to keep this in a good scale. So when we move or scale the border, we will need to scale this table, this tape, and this street name, and this box as well. So first we scale the border to make it fit. Now 40, we can try with 60. I hope it fit. Yeah, seems like the 40, the 60, it fit with the area. We make a little bit more. See, we go down too much, but it's okay. We take it this way. So let's see how this take and table and this will be scaled. So to do that, we group this. Group this. and this tick, and yeah, this street name. We will move later. You think we get all of this, maybe one of the arrow. Yeah, we group it and we move to a point, this point, and we scale it with 3 points. We start this, and this. We scale back a little bit because it's not my big border. Yeah. Now we should get the text, the legend arrow, and the name, scale, and fit the seed. And move this down a little bit. So let's unselect all and select the move. We might delete it that time. And for this, we can turn off the or just keep it to for the text to be adjusted, and then we delete it. So we ungroup this and move back this text. The idea of scaling is to make sure that this text will fit every seed with different scale. I mean that it should be same for all the seed, even if the scale is different. So that's why we make that. And for this one, we can adjust to n to make at least border. Yeah, it's looking great now. And this box should we want to move it to this corner so we can just move it. Yeah, and then we snap this to the corner. It seems like we got that, and yeah, make sure that have this move correctly, and this one is not correct. You see that this box is not matching because the scale change. So we're gonna scale it to mark. Or just make copy from the one here. That will be A. You can turn off this. Now it should be okay. Not something not right. See, it's not at a correct drainage area. You can move this a little bit far here. And this can be placed down here. And this one can go up here. And next thing is to clip this surface, but some reason I could not do it. I don't know why, because when I do it, it just nothing happened. So I gonna put into one of these terrain, or you can leave it as it is. I gonna fix it later, because what we want is to have it perfectly clip at this boundary. When I try to do it, it's not allow me to. Normally we have it, you see, it's not allow me to clip boundary, but this one is okay. You want to see how big is this, you can delete clip and click on it. Yeah, here's the big area that we had. But if we want it in this specific area, we right click on it and click on click boundary, and then click on this one, and then that will be clipped by this boundary. Okay, next thing is to read this. You can move it to the left where you want, because seems like this area is wide open and this area is closed. To do that is you draw a line here, line here, and then you move a border. I do this way. I move a border a little bit left to fit this. So you can click a point and then move to the left. And then I move this thing. I have text here. And this. Okay, I click move. So I move from here to here. And then I make a clip boundary move to this line. Make sure you click on this one. Yeah, now it's come here. But like I said, the terrain, I gonna fix it later. You can leave it as it is. It should look clean, like it clip at this boundary. But for some reason, I cannot do it. I was able to do it, but I don't know why it's not allowing me to do at this time. Okay, I think we have to move this as well. Yeah. So now we got the internet area. What we do next is to read this area. We can make a copy of this and then measure the area and make copy outside. And then we measure the area by click flood. I think flood is the one. And click inside this. It should tell me what is the area. So here's the area. Oh no, this one. I make copy and use this. Actually, I'm gonna give you the table. That table will also help with the generate area. You can input there and get the information of the queue or the queue. So I put my paste here and divide with this vector for conversion between square feet and acreage. So I can know that this is 272. So I put here 272. Yeah. And also here 272. This thing is the same. What gonna change is this point. Gonna using the table to calculate this area. I will send you that table so you can just input here and then you get this information and input into this one. Okay. B. What is for B? You can click here and flood. One more click so you get this and get this area convert to acreage. Click divide by this vector for acreage. It's 183. Oh, why it's bigger? Oh, it's not big. It is 183. So you change it to 183. So it's 83. Oh, it's double. You need to get one deleted. Okay, now for C, but you need to put this word. It's 183. Area 4, area C, not 4, sorry. This one. It is this amount. Put into calculation. I'm sorry. 1,350, 36. 136. Six. It's 136 here. And the last one is D. SD. $153. Okay. Yeah, and then this one is gonna be 153. And the rest is deletable. Yeah, what you need is just this four. Yeah. Now we get everything. You can start from the next seat. The seat A01 is done. You can save as to save as to A02. Take some time to save it. So you need to wait. Yeah, I hope that you understand what I'm explaining in this video. So if you have any question, you can let me know. But it is what we are doing for the drainage area map. Some area might have more area, some have less. So make sure to check all of that. Some have up to like 20 areas for one system, and some have only 4. But for that small part, that might have less area. Yeah, the group A are here. So what we have done is this one. You're gonna go next for this area, and that one is just after this drainage area. So I think that this system is get more from this part. You might need to use this and then add more to that. Then you get the area for the CC82 because this system is throwing to this line. So you can place line from this. Because same like this one is flow down here. Into this So it should start from here. And if you are from here, and go down here. Go down here and something like this. And something like this. Yeah, something like this. Yeah. So can have this area and then this area. And something like this. And then you have this one, and this one added. That should be D, E, F. We have D, E, F. So I think we merge this, merge using this, and then change. And then you add the arrow and giving this the name. We have this one and this one. This part might split to two. So maybe something like this. And similar, this one has something two as well. So it should be something like this. So you could use this as A, B, and this C, D, E, and F, and this G, F, G, D, E, F, G, and 8 here. Yeah, something like this. But you're gonna use the A2 area. This one is A1. You're gonna attach the A2. This is A1. You not use this one because one surface is for one area. We have different clip for that. Yes, you can check it and try to do, and let me know if you have any question. Yeah, I close this video here, and yeah, you can try it out. The scale is correct, yeah, because we have 60 for the border, but if we have bigger or smaller, you can change based on that. Okay. Bye bye.